This probably has to be one of my favorite switches that has arrived in my place. The Zaku switch by TC has pretty much everything I'm looking for within a switch. A nylon bottom for smooth stem travel, a long palm stem which isn't scratchy or lights, a 63.5 gram spring which is actually a double spring, and it's white, which if you can't tell from all the boards that I own, I'm a big fan of white. I've been using these in the Vega and jumping between them and the Husky Pies in my 7V, and I have to say that I'm overall really impressed. After lubing and filming these switches, they're quite a damn smooth switch, even for having a palm stem. If you've used lavenders or compettos with the palm stem included, it's pretty much on par with them in terms of smoothness. The bottom housing is similar to the Auralites, Husky, and Kingfisher where the leaf spring is integrated, so if you're worried about misalignment, this style of bottom housing may be for you. But this does limit the number of top housings you can use, since you can only use top housings from similar bottom housings. The stem is quite nice in my opinion. It's smooth, long pull, it's white, and that helps to provide a deeper sounding bottom out. I ordered a few more to try in different housings, but honestly I wouldn't be mad throwing these in like an H1 bottom for black cherry pies. The only thing I would probably change is the spring, since I'm a fan of 63.5 normal, and the double spring is a little bit on the heavier side for me personally. Overall, if you're looking for a switch with a deep sound that has a snappy feeling to it, as well as high potential for Franken switches down the road, I would highly recommend the Zaku switches. You can find them at Bolsa Supply, I'll include the link below. They just had a restock on the 10th, I believe. But remember, take these sound tests with a grain of salt, since each mic, keyboard, setup is different, and these are just my personal opinions. Thanks for sticking around, and stay safe.